You're going to make more money from social media this year by copying the exact process I use in my business. It's just 4 steps. First is you create, like a TikTok video. Step 2, you repurpose. I use repurpose.io to do this, but you want to post that content as many places as possible. Mine goes to Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, and a secondary Twitter account. So 1 piece of content became 6. Next, you're going to repost. This is something so many people forget about. Take a piece of content and post the exact same thing again. I repost my TikToks every 3 to 6 months or so, and y'all never notice. And then the 4th step that no one talks about is transform. Take a piece of content, like a video, and turn it into another kind of content, like an image. For example, I make Instagram posts by transcribing what I say in my TikTok videos, or turning my transcriptions into blogs, or LinkedIn posts, or Twitter threads. And then, of course, once you have an Instagram post, you're going to repurpose it to Facebook and Pinterest. And from there, you're going to repost it again in 3 to 6 months. You get what's happening here? Then using the green screen effect, an Instagram post can become a TikTok video, and the whole process starts again. One idea, hundreds of thousands of viewers, more money.